pre-order numbers for the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus, according to respected Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, indicate that the company's product segmentation strategy this year has failed. Well, hello guys, welcome to House of Tech. Hit that like and subscribe button if you'd like to get new updates about gadgets and tech every day. Apple unveiled the new iPhone 14 series last week. The iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max went on sale on September 16 after going up for pre-order on September 9. On October 7, the iPhone 14 Plus will become available a little later. The device's pre-order statistics have not been disclosed by Apple. And in order to understand how demand fluctuated, Kuo, an analyst at TF International Securities who has a solid track record of forecasting future Apple developments, looked at early statistics of pre-orders for the company's current iPhone lineup. In a noteworthy shift from the iPhone 13 base models, which were only offered in regular and small device sizes, Apple decided to offer the base model iPhone in standard and bigger Plus versions. He claimed that the results for the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Pro are good and neutral, respectively, when it comes to availability and shipment estimates. The two regular models, the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus, have bad reservation numbers. This makes sense seeing that the base iPhone 14 models are mere replicas of the iPhone 13 models of last year. The iPhone 14 Plus's pre-order result was substantially lower than anticipated, which indicates that Apple's product segmentation plan for standard models this year has failed. And due to this, Apple is likely to reduce shipping numbers for both the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus starting in November if demand for the devices doesn't increase. If so, Kuo warned that it might affect the company's total sales growth. What do you think about the reception of Apple's new devices? Is their yearly repetition of design and features finally catching up to them? Let us know down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching, we'll see you tomorrow.